everyone, OYG Una here, and today I'm gonna be watching Pomada music video by First One. I did not realize that it was gonna come out. I recorded my full album reaction, and then it came out, and I was like, dang! So now I'm doing it. This is my favorite track in the whole album, so I'm really excited that it's actually getting a music video. It has a music video. And I was just saying it would be the perfect follow-up to Gigil, and here it is. Like, come on. Anyway, this Pomada in 3, 2, 1, go! I'm so excited! Oh my gosh. What's the choreo gonna be like? Let's go, baby. Ikaw talaga yung laging nakapumada, you know? Lo, ba't may drama? Kala ko may susulat siya. Ay, go, bebe. It's okay. Oh, and I did see the teaser for this. Like, all of them wearing suits. Oh, come on! They're all wearing suits. Nakita ko yung photo. Shucks, naglalag siya, mami. Okay, sige, ulit overall. I don't know what's going on. 3, 2, 1, go. Hopefully, it doesn't lag anymore. I've been working on it for 15 minutes! And mukhang okay naman siya so far. It's so hard. My brain still goes, joke. No, Russ. Lalag na naman siya, baby. Why? Siguro dapat hindi ko siya pansinin. Kunwari, okay lang. Mommy.
Laging nakapumada, ng harana, lonta ko. Laging nakapumada, porma, gusto ko lang makilala mo ako. Bakit tila walang lumalapit? Kahit pinipilit na mangakit, panaginip ko, ikaw pa din ang hinahanap ko.
Okay, boss.
Nais ko na makasama ka hanggang dulo. Girl, I wanna see you every day, hoping this feeling reciprocate. Then I look up the sky and I ask for your name.
Don't lie.
Kailan kaya mapapansin? Ano pa bang gagawin? Hiling ko lang yung pagtingin. O kaya laging nakapumada.
Lonta ko. Pumada. Nainis na ako sa lag. Bad trip talaga. Lamo ako.
Sa dinarami-rami naisip, bakit sa'yo tingin ang mga balaki? Kahit pa magmukhang tanga, mapasaya kang danging mahalaga ka. Kakaibang sigla at saya ang tangi mo sa akin pinapakalaga.
Every time I'm like, bias wrecker. Tapos lipat na yung mga member, bias wrecker. Bias wrecker ulit. I don't know, parang bagay yung mga English lines kay Alpha.
Laging nakapumada, harana,
Lonta ko. Ito na magagawin nilang bagong DC. Mo ako.
sana hindi na muling magduda. Ano pa ba ang di nakikita? I don't even know what's going on, but I'll be doing this on and on, on and on, on and on. Laging
Pumada. Harana. Bagong lonta. Lonta ko. Pumada. Parang kaya ko. Kaya kong i-dance challenge to. Mahara. Lonta, lonta ko. Makilala mo ako. They look really good in suits. Ang saya ni Jay. That's me! That's me! Yep, I would shout like that even if I'm by myself. Tilag ka pa rin hanggang dulo, no? Ba't galit? Kasi di pa rin, napansin na ubos na yung pomada niya, pero hindi pa rin siya pinansin. Or is it because there's only one person watching? Lo! Bakit parang kasalanan ko? Pasensya na, nag-lag talaga siya hanggang dulo. I don't know kung anong problema. Laptop ko, internet, I don't know. Anyway, nung una ko pinakinggan yung lonta, yung pomada, I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute na parang nagpapakit siya sa crush niya, kaya nagpapaporma siya, naglagay siyang pomada, nagsuot siya ng bago niyang lonta. And I thought that was so cute, just someone who's really in love with someone and want to do his best para mapansin siya or sagutin siya. Pero with this music video, it was kind of sad. It was like, parang nagbago yung angle into, like, we always do this. We work so hard. Tapos, hindi nyo naman kami papansinin. Nakakainis! Gets ko though, kasi like, it really takes so much effort, so much energy, so many people to prep a boy group or a group in general to show them to the public. And with like first one, it's been a while and they've been working on their craft for so long. They're really, really good. But like, nasan? Nasan ang mga tao? Pero that wasn't true ha, yung dulo na isang tao lang, hindi. Talagang sobrang hakot yung mga 4-1 every ganap na nakita ko sila, or even like pictures ng after ganap. There's always so many of them who go to events and talagang kahit saan pa yan, go na go sila. Of course, it would be really nice to have more people. Yun naman yung goal lagi, na mas maraming taong makarinig ng music nila. But now, medyo masasad na ako kapag pinapakinggan ko yung pomada. But it's okay. Just keep sharing. Tell people about First One, their new album that came out called Gigil, and make them listen to the songs. They will definitely like it. But yeah, that's it from me today. Let me know what you thought of the Pomada music video that just came out from First One. Tell me in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.